My name is Chris Anglin, and I'm with the Anglin Law Firm in Raleigh, North Carolina. And the Anglin Law Firm does wills and estate planning, and we try to make sure that we offer each client an individual legal plan and try to tailor your estate planning to your individual needs. And we try to make sure that it's affordable for everyone that comes to us. You need a will because if you pass away, your estate might not be distributed according to your wishes, or there's a possibility that your child will not be cared for in the way that you would have wanted. Most people don't actually call in until they've had an event happen where they realize that they need a will. And a lot of the time it can be that they were either recently married or that they had a child. And they're concerned about their children, and especially young parents are concerned about their children's future, and they want to make sure that they are provided for. And doing an estate plan in a will, it can assure that the child will be cared for until the child reaches adulthood. The Amatis decided to get their wills done after they had their daughter Zara.
Chris helped a lot. I knew nothing about wills. All I knew is that I wanted to have one. So I had a ton of questions and limited time. Being new parents, time is precious. And Chris made it very easy.
We usually don't like to think of death and something that would happen to us, so we kind of just threw it in the back of our minds. But after Zara was born, we realized that this is something that everybody eventually has to confront at some point or another. So we might as well go ahead and decide on those decisions now. Of course, with a will, we realize that we can change that anytime in the future as well.
It's important to express what you want because people might not know and you might not get your wishes made. And that way you can just kind of rest easy and not have to worry about what might happen.
He actually not only explained the advantages of a will, but he also explained the different types of wills and the advantages of each one of them in very simple terms so we can understand.
We had a great experience with Chris. He was just so helpful and accommodating. I would definitely recommend him, and actually I have.
When it was all said and done, it was a document that we felt very comfortable with.
Having a will has given us peace of mind.
If something were to happen to me,
You mean to us?
we know we would be taken care of.
If you die without a will, your estate will be distributed according to the North Carolina Intestate Succession Act, which a lot of people are unaware of. There are two types of power of attorneys. There's a healthcare power of attorney and a financial power of attorney. And a healthcare power of attorney allows you to designate someone to make medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. And a financial power of attorney allows you to designate someone to make financial decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. And it's advantageous to have a healthcare and financial power of attorney because you can decide who you want to make decisions for you. So you can either choose a family member or a close friend of yours who you trust and who you think will make good decisions for you. If you don't have an estate plan, someone else could determine for you what should happen to everything that you've spent your entire life working for. So it's actually quite simple. It only takes from the time you come into my office, I can have your wills and most of your estate plan done in a 2 or 3 day period. So it's a lot less work than people think of. People put it off because they don't want to think about their own mortality. It is easy to get your estate plan started. Call our office for a free phone consultation at 919-865-3388 or visit our website at anglinlawfirm.com.